Here we are at Lolham level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe, UK level crossing channel and the level crossing channel. Time now is 19:58 on Thursday the 5th of April 2018. This is for your '1958 expected 2002, 1028 Virgin train service from Lucas Cross to Leeds, and your 1959 expected 2002, 1:48 Virgin train service from Leeds to Lucas Cross. I didn't know you was filming.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll film it. I'll do the video 5 seconds before the crossing goes off.
Oh, good.
Just thinking, you should take me back to Peterborough tomorrow. We can do Maxi on the way back.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
We'll do it tonight.
I can't. It's getting too late.
Alright, then we'll go back to yours then. We need to do Maxi tomorrow. It'll be dark again, and it'll be late.
What time do you think we're going to finish tomorrow? I guess I don't know.
Well, tomorrow we'll finish probably a bit later because we're doing all those crossings down there, aren't we?
I don't know. We're going to do selected ones, so it won't be...
Don't say where we're going.
Yeah, it's fine. You won't be uploading the video tonight, will you?
Yes. I told you earlier, didn't I?
Oh, yeah.
Hang on a minute. You had a cobweb hanging from you. Did you feel it? I just
Yeah,
saw
there's
it.
bits of crap happening from me.
I just saw it hanging from you, just going down there.
Subscribe to Joe 4.
On my channel again. Did you say subscribe to Joe Thorpe on your video when you was filming at Greatford?
Yeah, I said it on my video, so it'll be on my video.
Good.
No!
There's another train going over Bainton Green.
What?
That I think I can hear a 170. That'll be going down there though.
Yeah. Ah, the CCTV cameras there.
Yeah.
It's only gone there. Oh, there's the jumper.
Bainton Green will be down. Oh, it's a 2 coach. Here it is. HC220. 120 to King's Cross. I think the other one's come in. No, it's not. I think the other one come in as well. This is a 158. I think it's 889, the southwest trains. 58 785 to Norwich. This is the one. $91 126. 82201 to Leeds. I don't. Oh. What can we possibly be staying for now? Check out. Yeah.
803 is the 807 London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. That's
That'll
GR.
that would be good. Is that what Tansley you want? Tallington?
Yeah,
So I presume we'll be staying for that then, won't we?
probably. And then
Are
there's
you on
one
all
at
day or
810.
are you on just about? Just yeah, you're not on all day. You're on just an hour, hourly.
Yeah, so I always am up.
Hey,
White light down there.
I like that. Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah, here it comes.
There it is. Let's hope we don't stay for that Lincoln Central train then. One. 9109 still Bobby Robson to London King's Cross.